Good morning, everyone. I welcome you all to another episode of the Career Transition Series from an engineer to a trainer. And this is what I am looking forward to. And today is the third episode. And in this episode, we are going to discuss about what is corporate training. Now, corporate training is a very fancy word. So let us understand what is corporate training and what is the purpose behind the corporate training. Now, what is corporate training? So corporate training is basically it's a structured learning process provided by an organization to help the employees work better. So the ultimate purpose of having a corporate training is to perform better so that the entire organization will improve their performance, be it in sales, be it in leadership, and every other aspect. So basically it's all about learning, practicing the skills, and to perform better. That is the intention behind corporate training. Now, why do companies train employees? Now, many of the companies they invest a lot of money in corporate training. So, what is the purpose of that? What is the purpose behind investing a lot of money? So, first thing is that training can help employees. There are five reasons. So, first reason is learning new skills. The second one is to improve the existing skills. The third one is whenever any changes happen, they can adapt easily. The fourth one is they can solve workplace problems, and the fifth one is they can perform their roles better. So these are the five reasons for why companies train their employees. So firstly, it is about learning new skills, improving existing skills, adapting to changes, solving workplace problems, and perform their roles better. These are the reasons why companies train their employees. Let's see a simple example. Now, since I am from the fire alarm background, so I get involved in lots of fire alarm system related problems. So suppose that a new engineer comes and if he or she is given a fire alarm system, okay, they are given the task that they have to assemble a fire alarm system in a building. So I can give a manual. There's an option that I can give a manual and I can leave from there. Okay. And rest, it's up to the, let's just on them actually. Like they have to read the manual, follow the instructions, and get it done. But in corporate training, what we can guarantee is that we can actually help the employees learn the various aspects of fire alarm system. We can explain to them, we can demonstrate how the system is being installed, we can make them practice, and then we can provide them feedback on which all aspects they have improved and which all aspects they need to correct themselves. So that's the intention behind corporate training. So when we are so in this example, the engineers they will learn to use the system correctly and confidently, and that is the purpose behind corporate training. So corporate training isn't just about teaching. So this is where people actually get wrong with corporate training. It's many people think that corporate training, the trainers come to the company, they give a talk and they leave. No, the purpose behind a corporate training is that they have to push the company to achieve its target. They need to practice and they need to help the employees acquire new skills. And this can be done through practice and demonstration. So the corporate training is all about improving workplace performance. So with this, I conclude today's episode. In case if you have any queries, comments, or clarification, please do post them in the chat box, and I'll be happily obliged to help you. And in case if you have any new piece of knowledge, kindly share it in the comment box so that it will be an information for me. Thank you once again, and I wish you all a good day ahead. And see you in the next episode.